Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've got a massive story breaking in the AI world today. Straight from the top of Hacker News. If you've been following the incredible innovations from Mistral AI, you know they don't just build models. They build paradigms, and their latest release? It's nothing short of a paradigm shift for one of the internet's most persistent and difficult problems: online content moderation. We're talking about Mistral's Shieldstral, a groundbreaking 3 billion parameter open weights model designed specifically for multimodal moderation. This isn't just an update, it's a potential game changer in the fight against online hate, misinformation, and harmful content. Mistral AI has rapidly ascended to the forefront of the generative AI landscape, earning a reputation for developing highly efficient, powerful, and often open source or open weights models. While much of the buzz around AI has focused on generating new content, be it text, images, or code, Mistral is now turning its formidable capabilities towards the critical challenge of policing that very content. Think about the sheer volume of information uploaded every second to platforms like YouTube, X, Facebook, and countless others. Manual moderation is impossible. Existing AI solutions, while helpful, often struggle with nuance, context, and the sheer scale of the problem. This is where Shieldstral steps in. So, what exactly is Shieldstral? At its core, it's a *** 3 billion parameter open weights model * specifically engineered for * multimodal moderation. Let's unpack each of those key terms because they're vital to understanding its significance. First, 3 billion parameter tells us about its size. In the world of large language models, 3 billion parameters might seem relatively small compared to giants with hundreds of billions or even trillions. But this is precisely where Mistral's expertise shines. They are masters at creating highly efficient, performant models that pack a punch far beyond what their parameter count might suggest. A smaller model means it's faster, cheaper to run, and can potentially be deployed in more diverse environments, perhaps even closer to the edge, on devices themselves. This efficiency is a huge win for platforms battling budget constraints and real-time moderation needs. Next, open weights. This is a significant move, especially for a moderation model. Open weights means that Mistral is making the model's internal parameters its brawn available to the public. This contrasts with purely proprietary models where the inner workings are kept secret. Why is this important for moderation? Transparency. When a model's weights are open, researchers, developers, and even the public can inspect how it works, understand its biases, or lack thereof, and scrutinize its decision-making process. This fosters trust, allows for community contributions, and enables organizations to fine-tune the model for their specific content policies and cultural nuances. It's a powerful tool for accountability, crucial in the sensitive domain of content moderation where accusations of bias or censorship are common. And finally, multimodal moderation. This is perhaps the most exciting and necessary aspect of Shieldstral. The internet isn't just text anymore. It's rich media, images, videos, audio, and complex combinations of all three. A moderation system that can only read text is woefully inadequate in today's digital landscape. Multimodal means Shieldstral can process and understand content across different modalities. Imagine an image that on its own seems innocuous, but when combined with a specific caption, becomes deeply offensive, or a video clip taken out of context to spread misinformation. Shieldstral is designed to look at the whole picture, the text surrounding an image, the audio track of a video, the visual content itself, to make a more informed judgment. This holistic approach is critical for catching sophisticated forms of harmful content that exploit the gaps between single modality moderation systems. It's a leap forward in detecting hate speech embedded in memes, identifying visual misinformation, or flagging inappropriate video segments. The implications of Shieldstral are vast for social media platforms. It offers a more powerful, transparent, and potentially cost-effective tool to enforce community guidelines and protect users. For enterprise solutions, it could be integrated into internal communication platforms to ensure a safe work environment. For independent developers and smaller communities, the open weight's nature allows them to customize and deploy sophisticated moderation capabilities without needing to build a huge AI team from scratch. This democratizes access to advanced AI moderation, which is crucial for fostering healthier online spaces across the board, not just on the biggest platforms. However, it's also important to acknowledge the challenges and ethical considerations that come with any AI moderation system, even one as thoughtfully designed as Shieldstral. No AI is perfect. There will always be edge cases, false positives, and false negatives. The open weight's nature helps address transparency, but it also raises questions about potential misuse, where bad actors might try to understand its weaknesses to bypass moderation. This is a constant cat and mouse game. The key lies in continuous development, community feedback, and a commitment to iteration. Mistral's approach with Shieldstral suggests they are keenly aware of these complexities, offering a foundation that can be built upon, adapted, and improved by the wider AI community. In summary, Mistral's Shieldstral is a monumental step forward in the quest for safer, more civil online environments. By combining efficiency, transparency, and multimodal understanding into an open weights package, Mistral isn't just offering a tool. They're offering a blueprint for the future of responsible AI development in a critical domain. It's exciting to see a company not only push the boundaries of AI generation but also dedicate significant resources to mitigating its potential harms and fostering a healthier digital ecosystem. This is definitely a story we'll be tracking closely, so make sure you're subscribed for all the latest updates.